Hi guys, so I see this year out dress shirt for event purposes, and it's really nice. As you can see, it fits perfectly. I choose a L size, and it fits perfectly. You can, well, like to be using the shirts like this. It's perfect. I like a lot. I like a lot the color. The fabric is very well made. It's great quality, and it's water and stains resistant, so let me show you. I got here a cup of water. It doesn't get wet like that. See the water goes out. She's really nice. It ain't wet, it's dry, and it's perfect. I really like it.